Hi, I'm Joe. I own EcoCare Detailing and Ceramic Pro Sarasota here down in sunny Sarasota, Florida. You're here at my shop, looking at a Lamborghini Huracan over here, matte film, expel film on the whole entire car. This is actually from one of our primary vendors, Lamborghini Sarasota. We've been working with Lamborghini Sarasota for the last 3 years. Very great contract of ours that we've been able to grow. We actually perform paint corrections on every brand new Lamborghini that comes in over here because the dealership wants to make sure that they deliver perfection. So very blessed to have them as a client of ours. So come on in, we'll show you what Ceramic Pro Sarasota looks like. This is our main offices here. This is Will. He's our general sales manager for a dealership, as well as he works with Ceramic Pro Sarasota, lining up our sales. So most of the time when you give us a call, you'll either be talking to myself or Will. But let's go ahead and take a look at the cars. So in the back of our shop right now, you see we have a couple of cars. We have a 2-lift setup here. Our lifts are actually underneath the vehicles, and they pick the vehicles up in the air. The main reason why we pick up the vehicles into the air is because we want to be able to see all the different angles of the vehicle when we're working on it. A lot of other detail shops will detail a car while it's on the ground. What that does is maybe you'll get a really good reflection on the top and take out scratches and swirls, but the rest of the car is left with no work being done. So we actually put the car in the air. It will actually go up to about this height if need be, so that we can get underneath the vehicle, make sure the rocker panels and everything is paint corrected before we do their ceramic coating. This car in particular is a very great client of ours, been a client for a long time. We've actually been asking for this car for a long time as well. This is a Porsche Carrera Gt, very rare car in this color. This car is going to be in for a full paint correction as well as a ceramic coating. We'll be removing the wheels off the vehicle, ceramic coating the wheels, ceramic coating the calipers, the whole entire vehicle inside and outside, as well as the windows. So this will be a great project. My team's really excited about it. A lot of intricate angles, as you can tell. So we'll use some of our equipment that goes down to a 1/2 inch and smaller to get those angles. Off to your right here, we do have a Rolls-Royce. I'm going to grab a light and show you guys a little bit of what it looks like before and a little bit of the after, because this car is in progress. So this is just a standard light that's going to be extremely bright, so we'll find a good angle here and you guys can really see some scratching and some swirling throughout the car. Right here is a good example as well. Some hard water staining and everything else as well. So now we'll look at a little bit of the after, which is still in progress, but a lot better depiction of what the vehicle could be. Why we are doing this paint correction is because we are focused on making sure we preserve the finish. So we'll make the car look the best that it can, and we'll make sure that it stays that way. So this vehicle is going to be receiving a ceramic coating right after. Our packages include ceramic coating of the paint, windows, wheels, calipers, as well as we have an additional option for ceramic coating on the interiors. So let's go ahead and move on down here. Next we have a Corvette. This one received a multi-stage paint correction, as well as it will be receiving a ceramic coating, as well as PPF on the front end of the vehicle. Our PPF package prevents the vehicle from getting rock chips, stone chips, all the ugly imperfections that you see in the front end that can only be fixed by touch-up paint. So we do that prior to our ceramic coating process, and then we actually put a ceramic coating on top of the PPF. So now that you've seen a bunch of fancy exotic cars, you will realize that we work on every vehicle, consumer cars. Our service obviously is a niche, but relatively in the cost-wise, it is extremely affordable. The value that you get out of a ceramic coating, we can go on and on and on. Provides you ample protection against the sun, the elements. You're going to have love bugs being protected against. The water's going to beat up, as well as you're going to have a lot more amplified gloss. Other benefits of our ceramic coating is it does go on your vehicle's Carfax, so you do get your value back from that as well. If you have more questions, you can always give us a call. This truck is in for a multi-stage paint correction. It has scratching and swirling throughout. Usually that comes from your home washing techniques, or if you drive a car, please do not drive your car through a drive-through car wash. But we remove those imperfections, like I said before we apply our ceramic coating. So this truck is in for our full package. Wheels, windows, paint, all your trim, all these plastics that you're so used to fading out, we will ceramic coat that and make sure that they stay looking that way. All the plastics around the mirrors as well, and in the back truck pad here. Let me move some of this equipment out of the way here, and I'll show you guys a couple more cars. This Mustang's in for ceramic coating maintenance. This was coated, I believe, 2 years ago. With our ceramic coating, we recommend that you come in once a year for a maintenance, just for us to make sure that our product and everything is holding up well on this vehicle. Everything looks great, customer's happy. That service also just makes sure we stay in touch with our customers. At the end of the day, you guys are what makes us successful, makes us be able to take care of our families. So let's go on and see what we got outside here. Got another Lamborghini over here. This is a Huracan Spider. This vehicle was paint corrected and coated over a year ago. Is in for a maintenance. This client did receive our lifetime package, which is 4 layers of our 9H and 1 layer of our Ceramic Pro Light, as well as a full interior package. Just in for a maintenance. Car is performing absolutely perfectly, looks gorgeous. No scratching or swirls, tons of amplified gloss throughout the entire vehicle, and we will actually be delivering this to him. A couple other services that we offer that are a little bit different than everyone else is that we actually have an insurance policy that'll cover us up to driving $2 million in cars. So with this customer in particular, he's a very busy man. We went to his house, grabbed his car, came over here, got his service, and we'll go ahead and bring it back to his house for him as well, which is really good for if you're traveling out of town. If you're out of town a lot, we can go ahead and take care of that too. This one over here is just in for a standard paint correction. It received a single stage paint correction. This one will be going up for sale. The customer just wanted to make sure that it was in a lot better shape. So if you are looking for cars, we do also have a lot of customers that are always looking to sell vehicles. So this Mustang received a single stage paint correction and a good detail. We do offer full detail packages, everything ranging from maintenance washes to full service details. We do have a mobile business as well, where we come out to your home. We're all about convenience and making things easier for you. So we do have a couple of trucks that go out and a couple of employees that come out and take care of that as well. Other than that, we'll show you guys some more stuff on the next video. We do have a lot of other options and other parts of the business that we work with. So thank you for your time and have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.